and welcome to the third video in the series of exam content outline. In this video, we are gonna go and we are gonna discuss the third ECO in the people task. So one of the most important thing to know about the exam content outline is that we need to work and we need to dive deep into the exam content outline. Once we understand the exam content outline, we can understand the entire PMP. So when we talk about the ECO, we have already covered the two part. And if you have not watched those things, I would highly recommend, please watch the video one and linked here and video two. That is very important. Don't jump to the video three unless you have watched that thing. If you don't know how to access exam content outline, so just go on Google, type PMP ECO and you will be able to do that. This is the exam content outline. I will also put the linkage for you. So today is basically sport team performance. Yeah. So we will talk about sporting team performance, how we can look into that, what are the things into that area. So let me open that on my iPad also. Yeah. So sport team performance. Let's read. Appraise team performance against KPIs, spot and recognize team member growth and development, determine appropriate feedback approach, verify performance improvement. So in the domain three, what we are talking about in the task three of people domain, we are talking about few things. First of all, we need to set KPIs. We need to set how the progress will be measured throughout the project, how the progress will be looked into throughout the project. For that, we need to set KPIs, key performance index. We need to set SMART goals. What are the SMART goals? Put in the comment box. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time bound. We need to set SMART goals. We need to set the goals and work with them. Okay, these are the goals. I have set it for you. Work on them and then we gauge the performance according to their requirement. And if any team member is doing good performance, we need to recognize their performance. And in addition to that, we need to support their performance, look for the training need assessment, and provide the appropriate feedback. And if something needs to be improved, we need to make a method to work into the improvement. Let's go to the whiteboard. Okay. So what basically the entire thing looking into? The team members come. Okay. You provide them specific KPIs, key performance indices. Okay, these are the things, these are your goals that against which your progress will be measured. These are your goals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, you set them, the matrix is clear, you get them the matrix, and the matrix should be visible so they know actually, okay, what we are going to be measured against. It's an important thing. Sometimes some organization have some hidden matrix. We never know, are we doing good or bad? That's not the right way. We need to set a right KPI so that we can be measured properly. Okay, so when you assign the task, then you measure their progress throughout that. Now, sprint review is a good way, daily stand-up is a good way, retrospective is also all these ways where you are checking their performance, how the team members are actually working, how they are doing their task, are they on the track, are they not on the track, how can be improved into that. And then I would recommend 360 feedback view. Once you have measured the progress, identified, give them the feedback, like have a one-to-one, heart-to-heart conversation with them. And then listen to their feedback, what they are saying, why they were unable to do their task. Maybe when you get the feedback, you identify more training needs. And that is your job. You identify their training needs. You provide them the trainings. And then again, you measure the training outcomes. Are they doing the right task or not? Is there something that can be improved? Is there something that needed to be worked on? Is there something, etc., etc., etc.? So we need to identify how we can improve, how are the things that is helping us. So that is the critical area to look into that. You provide the training, you measure the training outcomes, and you keep on doing that. And let's say somebody did outclass performance, they did a great things. You need to provide them the rewards, which are basically tangible thing. You need to provide them rewards, and you need to provide them recognition. Okay, you are doing a great job, so I need to recognize your job. Rewards are tangible, recognition is more of an intangible. Good job, great job, you did an awesome thing. You see, reward and recognition both are important, but we need to see which thing is gonna correlate at which area and how we can improve on that thing, which thing we are going to provide. Both rewards and recognition should be understand and provided into their performance. The entire loop is what basically this exam content outline is covering here. You appraise the team performance, identify what skills are required, set the KPIs according to them, support their goal, do the training assessment, walk into that, do the feedback, verify the improvement. I would put the entire thing in this way. You identify skills required, you provide the training for them. Once the training is done, you set the KPIs, you measure that, you give them 360 feedback, you improve their performance. If somebody is doing good job, you provide them rewards and recognition. You provide them rewards and recognition. You get a 360 feedback. You keep doing that thing, making sure that team members are performing to the best of their abilities. You see, by the projects are made for the team by the team. If team are not performing well, if the team is not doing the right thing, then this can become a problematic for you. So I highly recommend, as a project manager, look into the ways what can help to work into the improve your team performance. So this was the task 3 from your domain sport team performance. Next week, we will work how we can empower team members and stakeholders. This will go more towards the stakeholder topic. What do you think? Shall I cover 2 tasks in one video, or one task is enough? You want to understand this? Put in the chat box. What do you think? In addition to that, do you want me to make like 4 or 5 questions for each task? I would love to know your feedback. Put in the comment. And guys, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do that. According to the statistic that Google is sharing us, you see, only 13.2% of people are subscribed. 86% people are not subscribed. It will matter a lot if you subscribe it now, so that our channel can grow. We can help you into learning. And if you haven't taken that training, my group program is going to start on 16th of February. You can join that, or you can always join my one-to-one program. In any of these programs, we'll make sure that you become certified PMP in the minimum possible time. You can see the success record. With the 99% success record, 302, 464, 597, and even a year before, 150. With the COVID, how we have helped the student, and we have made sure that they become certified PMP. So next PMP, you can be. So register now and become PMP. Bye-bye.